What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. So we're gonna go pick them up. The Hemi heads for the Ram, the single cab, they just called me right now that they're ready. So we're gonna go pick them up. They're polished, everything. They're gonna be looking nice. So we're gonna go pick them up right now, and we'll reveal them right now. And I'll show you right now how they look. Other than that, stay tuned and watch full video. If you haven't copied your merch, DM me Valentin_Keith and I'll get you right on. Nice shirts with a cat eye silverado on the back, or either you can choose the Ram. I got some decals too, so y'all DM me and I'll ship it right to you. So we just arrived here. Heads right now. Yeah, guys, so we're just waiting for the heads right now. They're gonna bring him. I gave him the ticket already. Look at that hole. So we came to AutoZone, guys, to buy some stuff to prepare everything and install to AutoZone. So we're gonna get some and be right back. We're building this Ram. Oh shit. We just installed some headers on this. Looks badass, man. I already like it. I already torqued the heads down. I can't see. I don't know. It's too dark. It's dark outside already. But I already torqued the heads. Put the headers, long tube ass headers, all the way over there. Motherfucker gonna be loud. And I already put the other side too. I'm gonna put the intake tomorrow and the manifold. So I don't really like working at night. Then we're probably gonna go tune this motherfucker. The ECM. Tune it. My boy Nacho, what's up, bro? But yeah, it's badass truck, man. It's dropped and everything.